A mechanic named Eli ran a small workshop beside a highway that never truly slept. Drivers came to him at dusk with the same complaint. The road felt darker than it used to, the signs were harder to read, and every wet stretch turned the beams into weak white fog. Eli listened more than he spoke. He had a calm voice, a worn notebook, and the habit of testing everything twice. Beside him worked Mara, a sharp-eyed apprentice who trusted new technology and enjoyed proving the old rules wrong. She believed brighter must always mean better. Eli believed the right light was never just about brightness. One evening, a long-haul driver named Thomas arrived with 3 different headlight kits in the bed of his truck: halogen, HID, and LED. He had read arguments online for a week and was no closer to a decision. He needed a real answer before the next cross-country run. Eli did not begin with a sales pitch. He parked the truck at the edge of the lot, where the road curved into trees. He swapped in each type one by one and drove the same route 3 times. Mara recorded everything. Thomas watched the beams cut through the dark like 3 different personalities. Halogen headlights provided a warm, familiar beam, but had limited range, causing the road ahead to disappear sooner. High-D headlights reached farther and appeared brighter, but their glare bothered oncoming drivers, and the beam felt less controlled on uneven roads. The LED lights were crisp and efficient, with fast response and a wide, clean field of vision. They revealed signs early and reduced strain on the eyes, but only when the housing was designed for them. In the wrong assembly, even a good LED could create scatter and confusion. Mara smiled, waiting for Eli to admit she was right about LEDs. Instead, Eli pointed to the reflector inside the old headlamp. "The best bulb," he said, "is not always the best headlight. The real choice is the system. Housing, aim, beam pattern, legality, and driving conditions matter as much as the bulb itself." Thomas frowned, so there was no simple winner. Eli shook his head. There was a practical answer. For most modern night driving, a quality LED headlight in a proper projector or lens housing offered the best balance of brightness, clarity, efficiency, and lifespan. For older vehicles, a well-aimed halogen upgrade could outperform a cheap LED swap that scattered light everywhere. ID could still shine on some setups, but it demanded careful installation and exact alignment. The next morning, Thomas returned with a trustworthy LED conversion matched to his truck's housing. Eli adjusted the aim until the cutoff was sharp and low. When Thomas pulled onto the highway after sunset, the road ahead looked longer, the signs clearer, and the eyes of oncoming drivers stayed calm. Mara wrote the final note in the notebook. The best headlight type for night driving is not the brightest one. It is the one that gives the driver the clearest view without blinding everyone else.